Welcome to BJJ Reps. In this one, we have a collar tie to an ankle pick. So Storm is looking for that collar tie. He grabs James's head. James is preoccupied with his hands, so he's not watching his leg positioning. He steps up, and Storm yanks the leg and gets the side control. Okay, let's watch this in slow motion. So Storm secures the collar tie. James is cognizant of the takedown, so he grabs a 2-on-1 on Storm's right hand. But he's not watching his foot placement, tries to secure his own collar tie, and ends up being ankle picked as Storm catches it and gets side control.